guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. And today is Diwali. Yes, you can hear the cracker sound, right? Yeah. I washed my hair and I'm gonna get ready to celebrate Diwali. So most of the time I'll be at home. This year it came on October 30. 30 then, yes. I think it is October 30 or 31st. I think it is 31st of October, yes. We will be celebrating Diwali like any other Indian. My mom used to make some sweet. We put on new clothes, watch some movie in television or any OTT platform, something like that, like just chill time with family. After 6 o'clock, do all the fireworks. I really love all the fireworks. Today, I'm gonna wear this outfit. I've organized all the makeup items and the accessories that I'm gonna wear for today. Let's get ready and take you guys along with me for the whole day for Diwali to make a vlog like how I celebrate Diwali in my home. Usually, I'm always celebrating at home. I put on my new clothes. So this is how it looks. I don't know whether it is visible. I washed my hair using shampoo twice. At last, as a conditioner, I've used Sivakai or Sigakai. I think it is Sivakai. Sigakai. Anything is fine. I usually use that instead of shampoo during my school days, and my hair was really good at that time. And started using shampoo, my hair was drastically changed and it was like so frizzy, and I regret that why I just shifted to shampoo. Sigakai has a good nutrition to our hair to grow, so I regret that I did this with this. Okay, now I'm wearing sunscreen. Even I'm not going out, I'm gonna wear it. This sunscreen actually gives good glow. Not sure whether it is good for you guys because the skin type is different for each person. Now I'm gonna go with CC cream. Go with compact powder to set my makeup. Oh, before that I need to wear this one. I don't usually wear this on any of the occasion, but for a festive season conceals my dark circle. You can hear the cracker sound like most of the time. Just bear with me. I don't have a mic. Just applying it to the pigmented area. Everything is pigmented in my face right now. Oh my god, I need to get some good sleep. Just this little pinch. I have already applied the foundation here under my eyes, but still my dark circles can be seen really well. Now finally, compact powder. I'm gonna wear hairband. Sister bought this cute hairband. I usually used to do like this kind of hairband, so she bought me this. Now we're gonna do brow makeup. The one that I did, like minimal Diwali makeup, in that also I have used this. So she mentioned that I'm the only person who didn't apply the brow makeup in the right way. I'm gonna apply it more today because it was visible in person, but it is not visible in camera on that day. So that's right. Still, it is not visible in camera, but I'm gonna take more. You see the difference between my eyebrows? I have really thin eyebrows. Very nice. My eyebrows are not cooperating. Actually, it is good. I'll show this to my sister. I'm gonna use this Huda Nude for base. Brown one. This brown base really go with my skin color, and also it will look really well. Okay, my sister bought this Lakme glitter eyeshadow. I have tried a couple of times. Haven't tried for a while. Just one pinch in the middle of her eyelid and just blend it. Wow, actually I like it, but I need more. Oh, I can feel some chemical here. I won't recommend this because it's slightly itching for me right now, but it usually itches, but it gives nice look. Oh, all the glitters are in my fingers actually. I think you can only apply in brush. You can see it, right? But I won't recommend this because I feel like it is more of a chemical. Oh, eyeliner or eyelash. I need to go to if I used eye color, then my eyeliner will be wiped off. Okay, let's do eyeliner. I bought this green eyeliner. I really like multiple color eyeliners because black is too boring for me. Actually, I really like green eyeliner. Sometimes or most of the time I used to wear green eyeliner and it is really good. Gonna do wing. Really good. Today is too gloomy. It's really cloudy here. It is not too much of sunny. I'm just sitting near my window and I'm not also switched on my fan. If I switch off the fan, then you can't hear my voice. Okay, as it is gloomy and also you can hear more of the cracker sound, it is better to switch it off. Okay, what up next? Let's do lip, then do eyeliner because it is not set yet. This is Lakme lip liner. Actually, I just want to line my lower lip. My upper lip shape is like different. I couldn't be able to figure out how to apply liner, so I just stick with lipstick. This is Sephora lipstick. I really struggled to get this shade. Finally, I got it in Sephora. This is kind of brick brown and I'm just gonna apply this kind of curl. I usually don't use this on normal days as it is occasion and festive season. I'm using this. Whereas normal mascara is enough. I'm gonna use this one. You can see the glowy look, right? I haven't applied any of the highlighter. It is because of CC cream and also the sunscreen. I'm gonna straighten my hair. So I straighten my hair. Let's wear some accessories. So it was like pretty much completed. It's been half an hour, it seems. Maybe more than half an hour. Firstly, I'm gonna wear these two earrings. It is not jimmicky or something, but it is like big earring. But I like this pearl one. I chose golden earring because I have golden designs on my clothes. I'm sweating right now because I just straightened my hair, so that heat is still on me. So I'm planning to wear this necklace because I haven't worn this since I bought this. This one also was selected by my sister. This one, I think it was selected by me. It's looking really good. Now, let's wear this putter. Wow, I've done this first try this time. Let's add some glow. This one has like Swiss Beauty holographic eyeliner. This one is a game changer. See, you can see the shimmer. Oh my god, my eyes were so big when I sang that. I really love glittery eyeliner. Just gonna. Actually, it's really good, creamy and smooth. I'm really in love with this. I just don't like to use this much, but only few left. I really love this. It's glossy lip gloss. So I usually use this for blush, or highlighter, because I don't like too much of glittery lips. I only like glossy lips, but not a glittery kind of lip. I'm gonna use this one. This one is sugar. Now you can see the difference. Great. Now I'm looking really good. After hair straightening, also you have to final accessory is bangles. My sister got these bangles. It's really pretty. Actually, it's really pretty in camera. Okay, let's mix these two colors. These are glass bangles. think we wore all the accessories. Now only one thing. Show. This is my Diwali look right now. I'm gonna have my breakfast. Now it's time. I think around 12 it will be. I really did my eyebrows really good, right? So we have tried to photo shoot in our Diwali outfit, and now we're gonna burst our crackers. My father bought me actually I asked them to buy 1000 wala, but he bought me 24 wala, something like that. So it is 3 piece of it. So we're gonna burst our crackers right now. 1000 wala ready ஆகிடுங்க. அவ்வளவுதான்.
வாலா அண்ட் லக்ஷ்மி வரி வச்சு முடிச்சோம். இப்போ வந்து இருக்குதானா அது நம்ம ரேஞ்சு கிடையாது, அதை நம்ம கிளாஸில் பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஆமாம். ஸோ we are gonna go to our upstairs to start coming matlab girly patakas வெடிக்கலாம். Yeah, and we gonna see fireworks.
green range right?
ஆமா green range.
உண்மையான சம்பவம்.
It is over 10 p.m. today on Diwali night. So, happy Diwali. Yes. We have burned few of the crackers here. And we played gun game with my sister. And it was fun actually. SPD emergency. SPD emergency. Let's go downstairs to have some dinner.